Okay, take the data, sample value. Let's see. Take the sheet 1 data sample value. Already noted this one. This is noted. Here only you can write scenario. We have similar set of data sets to be added to make UPA data set. We go for append. We have similar set of data sets to be added and make it into a final data set. Generally, you go for okay. Okay. Now, noted. I am taking the sample data A B C D E value as a 1 2 3 4 5 and sheet 2 also. I am taking sample only same data. Sample only here also value. Sample value here also A B C. Here I have 1 2 3 4 same data. But I am taking same data. You just save the file as a append underscore. Give the name proper name append underscore duplicate tables. What is that? Duplicate tables. Your data having completely duplicate table. Save the file. Okay. Now go to your Power BI. Get data, Excel. Take new file or otherwise. Take new file for append. Just better. Duplicate tables. Get data, Excel. append underscore duplicate tables. Sheet 1 data and sheet 2. Both are same only, sheet 1 and sheet 2. Now go to edit queries. Now see here, sheet 1, sheet 2 data. Both are column headers also same. Sample value, data types also same. Now here, append queries, there are two options. Append queries as new. There are two options. Currently I am taking as new. First take the as new. Means it will create a new table. So first I am taking as new. Okay. See, primary table is sheet 1. Table to append to the primary table. Means which you want to join the table. Which you want to join the table. So sheet 1 table is the starting, sheet 2 table is the second. Next, what happened? Sample value. Just wait. So I am appending again. Sheet 1 append queries as new with this is wrong. What is the output? Sample value. Why? Because sheet 1 table also sample value. Second table also sample value. Both the tables are same. The number of columns will be same. What is that? Number of columns will be same. What is the data? A, B, C, D, E. And second data also A, B, C, D. It will not eliminate any duplicate values. The number of rows will be how many? 10. 5 plus 5. Values will be also same. Just check. Here, keep the proper name. Append underscore duplicate tables. Very important. Duplicate tables. What is that? Duplicate tables. Here only mentioned like this. Okay. Next, duplicate this. It's already complete. Okay. Let me check. All are done. Next, sheet 1 data. Just duplicate. Duplicate. Sheet 2 data. Also duplicate. Just duplicate sheet 1 and sheet 2. Now I am doing again append, not a new. I am doing append queries. See, I am appending on which one? Sheet 1 to table to append. Here only it will ask table to append. Sheet 2 to. If you click OK, what happened? The same table only it will take. If you want the new table, as new. Otherwise, same. Spotted two options. Now, this is the duplicate tables. Now, take another Excel. Take another Excel. Sample value. Here I have A, B, C, D. I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, sheet 1 data is A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, sample 1. What is that? Sample 1, value 1. Here also I am having A, B, C, D, E. So, first one is sample value. Second one is sample 1, value 1. Means column headers are different. What is that? Column headers are different. Now save the file. Give the name append underscore duplicate tables with different column headers. What is that? Duplicate tables with different column headers. Got it? First take the data. Okay. Save the file. Next, again take the new source. Don't refresh in the same file. Excel. Same sheet 1 to here sheet 1 3 sheet. Now, if I am appending now, again new table append queries as new. Always take as new. Why? Because you will understand what is output. Sheet 1 3 sheet 2. What happened? How many columns? The number of columns will be 4. Why? Because every column is unique. Now values A, B, C, D. Is there any sample in sheet 2? Not there. That's why the values are replaced with which one? Null values. If values are not there, it is replaced by which one? Null value. Same thing. So give the proper name. Name append underscore duplicate tables, duplicate tables with different column headers. So how many scenarios we have seen? Two scenarios. Same like that. Just try completely different. Completely different means column headers different, values are different. Third scenario. Completely different means column headers are different. Data is also okay. Just save it and load it. Same like above scenario only it will get. Now tell me what is the output? How many columns? Four columns. Number of rows will be 10. 5. Same scenario. Last scenario. If same table having the duplicates, just write same table having the duplicates. Hmm? No, values are duplicate like A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E. So sample value. Here I am having A, B, C. Just save the file. Append underscore duplicate values, not tables. Duplicate values. Just load. Append queries as new with what happened? Just rename it. So what is the use for? Same similar data sets if you want to append is joining the tables. For example, you have the dates, different dates of the 2017. Another date containing 2018 data. And you want to join the table without eliminating any data. So similar data sets. But in real time, it will be these four scenarios. Completely duplicate tables or with different column headers or with different data or duplicate values. In intros also, they will ask four type of scenarios. Just do it. There is any other option. Nothing. Four things. Data means duplicate, unique, repeated values. Column headers are different. That's it. Again, mostly they repeat ones. Completely different or completely duplicate. Or column headers are different, similar data set. Or anything is append is it will not eliminate. But when you take merge, it is complicated. It will take different to different. The same scenario, it will answer it. Append, please complete these four. Duplicate different column headers with different data, duplicate values. In intros, they will ask you, I have a table ABC, I have a table DEF. When you append it, what is the value? Or when I append with different columns with different data, what is the output? Just try. Hmm. Already completed people. Try to join two or more tables. See, same option. Append queries as new three or more tables. Just click on that. Here, one is two tables tab, one is three or more tables. Just when you click here and here and you want to remove something, I want to add with some other table also. Yeah. The same output. Output is after these three or more tables, just note down. Note. You can append more than two tables. You can append more than two tables, but not much. Completed. Shall we go next topic? Next, merge queries. What is it? Merge queries. It is used to join the tables. It is used to join the tables based on join condition. So, it is used to join the tables based on conditions. First one, left outer. Next, right outer. Full outer. Inner. What is it? Inner. Left anti. Next, right anti. Keep the star mark. First four. Keep the star mark for first four. Left anti, right anti you will not use, but first four keep it star. Next, note. By default, join is left outer. Whether by default join is left outer join. Okay. Next, rows. Keep the heading rows. Merge number of rows will depends on join condition. Next, columns. Merge number of columns depends upon secondary table selection. Secondary table selection. Is it? Merge number of columns depends upon secondary table selection. Next, note 2. Max number of tables we can merge is max number of tables we can merge is. This join condition we can do on only 2 tables, not only in Power BI, SQL, Oracle, or number of tables to be joined is 2. After the end output, you can join it in. Okay, append. You can do more than 2 tables, but merge we can't do. Next, noted. Very very important. If you know this, SQL also same topic. SQL also same topic. Whether they will ask a question in SQL, one mandatory question, otherwise Power BI mandatory. Anything is same, but mandatory one question need to be. You have saved that files, means like Excel files for append. You have saved right already 4 type of files, right? Use that files only. Use that files only. Means you already loaded. You already loaded into your data. Use the same files. Now see here properly. Here also everything is a 4 conditions. For every join, 4 conditions. Now sample value here also sample value. Now merge queries as new. Here what I am taking sheet 1. Here I am taking sheet 2. See here properly. Sample I am joining with. For example, if I am joining with value, what is that? Error. Select columns of the same type, number, text, etc. to continue. Means if the data types are same only, you can join. Otherwise, you can't join. This is a basic join concept. So here it is a text, here it is a number. So we can't join. So I am taking with sample. See, left outer. What is that? All from first, matching from second. Just note down in your thing. What is that? All from first, comma, matching from second. Second one. What is that? Right outer. All from second, matching from first. full outer. All rows from both. Very important. All rows from both. Inner. Only matching rows. Only next left hand trick. Rows only from first. Rows only in first. Second. Rows only. Okay. Clear? Now simple. Same. Sample with sample. Sample. What is it is saying? They is saying the selection matches five of the five rows from the first table and five of the five rows from the second table. Why it is saying like that? Why? Because all the elements are duplicate. So from the first five tables, it is matching from second. Second table is matching from first. So click OK. Click OK. Here you can see the primary table. Primary means first table. The secondary table means this one. If you expand this one, see, use original column name as a prefix. Prefix means starting. Suffix means ending. Prefix means starting. Means sheet 2 dot sample. It will create sheet 2 dot value. Now tell me why it is having output like that. What is left out there? All from first. First it is taking first. Matching from second. All values are matching, right? That's why A1, A2, A3. Now take your Excel, means whatever you have taken the data. Just first this one rename left outer underscore duplicate values. Left outer underscore duplicate values. Same like that. Now append. I am using this one. Append duplicate table with a different column headers. I am using that. First do this. Same thing. What I am saying is try the four scenarios for the left outer. Same four scenarios for the right outer. Same scenario for the inner. Table ABC. Here also A, left outer. What happened? A, B, C. First scenario. Second scenario. D, E, not L. Right. That means which table you have to take? Your Excel is there, right? Now I am doing completely duplicated values with different column headers. For example, first I am doing duplicated tables with column headers with different column headers. See here also A B C D E, here also sorry, here also A B C D E, but sample one value one. So merge queries as new sheet 1 3 with sheet 2 3 sample with sample. See the selection matches 5 rows from the first table. Now you have to expand, click, same output. Means here number of columns will be increased or same like in both scenarios. Same only. If it is a same also sample value also 4 columns. Here also 4 columns. Now rename, give the proper name, left outer, different column headers. Okay. Now do the different tables with different values. Right. Very important, bro. They will ask you at least one question from the joins, whether SQL or merge is different. Append is different. There. Here also you will get null. If it is a different data, you will get null. Yes. C2 is C2 sample one is null one is getting null. Here also merge queries as new sheet 1 4 sheet 2 4. So completely the selection has matched 0 out, means nothing is matched from the two. Sorry, my data is not clear. Use first row. Here, what is the step? First row as address or header cells first? Header cells. Header cells first. Here I have to keep column 1, column 2. Now I have to match. See the selection matches zero of the 5 rows in the table. Means nothing is matched. Because all from first matching from second. No values are matching. That's it now. Now try with duplicate. Duplicate values always important. Remember that. Duplicate values keep the star. Every scenario. Duplicate A, B, B, C, C. A, B, B, something different. Duplicate values keep the star mark. If it is the same values duplicate, what is out? For example, I have the sheet one. Okay, A, B, B, C, C. And the sheet two. A, B, C, D, E. What is out? This is little. Try this one. With duplicates, it's easy. Same scenario. Keep the star mark. This scenario. Sheet one, two. A, B, B, C, C. It also A, A, B, 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 C. Also. Keep the star mark. That are normal. Into point B1. Not tell me generally. All from first, matching from second. What is the first row? A. The respective value is here. Next, what is the next value? What is the here next value? Here, C, C, C. No, this scenario is very different. Tell me, this is the output. A, A, A. Next, A, A, A. B, C. Here also A is there. Here also A is there. This is not completed. First it is matched with A. Okay, one point. A again matched with A. One point. A again matched with A. Now first row is completed. Means this one again. This is one value, right? Then it will check with again A. A. How many times? Simple. 1 into 3. 1 into 3. Total 6. Same like B into 1 into 3. Output 1 into 3. So like that you will get it. Important. Keep the star. Got it? Same scenario. Try for right out. Both. Same thing. Right out.
So first is B and
Hmm.
then second time B is not.
Which one?
first output.
First it will search for where is the A value. A value. Again, any A value is there. That's why it will skip the second one. Here also search for A. Sorry. This is also A. See, here A is repeated two times. 2 into, because we are doing left hand side to right. Here if it is having A, then 4. Here if it is having A again, then 2, 3. How many levels? 1 into 3 times. Here 1 into 3. Like that. Okay. One scenario, first scenario, don't keep here duplicates. Here keep the duplicates. Number of columns will be same. Same also, same, different also. But number of columns will be depending upon your selection. When you expand it, there is a selection, right? That's it. Number of rows will be depending upon your. Can I tell or just try? Or if first values are matched with non-duplicated values, then what is the outcome? One scenario, try this one. X, Y, Z, something W, J, then result. How many rows? Value. Same. Right. X, Y, Z. Duplicate. You want to do same sheet only, you can modify. Just for understanding. If you refresh, you can also get the answer. But always refresh this, you found the first do this, later on you practice, keep the refresh only. I am separately doing on Excel case for practice purpose. Later on, what you have to do, take the data, change it, refresh it. Automatically, monthly output also change. Tell me, how many rows? If it is completely duplicate setup with XYZ, what is the output?